Until yesterday, we are discussing about structure of cell wall. Today, formation of cell wall and functions of cell wall. So, first of all, cell wall formation. Cell wall formation will start from after telophase at starting of cytokinesis. So, cell wall formation it takes place after telophase at starting of cytokinesis. In case of we are taking cell, this is nucleus will be formed. Two daughter nucleuses are formed by the process of mitosis, and middle between the two nucleus in cytoplasm one layer is formed. That layer is called cell plate. This is also called as cell plate. This cell plate also called as a mitotic plate or equatorial plate or equatorial plate. This equatorial plate mainly formed by phragmoplast. So, equatorial plate or cell plate formed by phragmoplast. Phragmoplast is nothing but fragments of Golgi bodies and endoplasmic reticulum. So, phragmoplast means this is pieces of Golgi bodies and endoplasmic reticulum. Pieces of endoplasmic reticulum as well as Golgi bodies to make up this cell plate. Both are called phragmoplast. Phragmoplast are make up cell plate. This cell plate generally these pieces secrete calcium pectate substance layer. So, what is that? These pieces of Golgi bodies secretes calcium pectate layer. That calcium pectate layer is also called as middle lamella. That is middle lamella. So, this cell plate generally replaced by middle lamella, which is middle lamella. Middle lamella means equatorial plate changes into middle lamella when these pieces of Golgi bodies and endoplasmic reticulum secrete calcium pectate. Calcium pectate deposited in this equatorial plate. Then this equatorial plate or cell plate changes into middle lamella. Then after, cytoplasm of cell 1 and cytoplasm of cell 2 to produce primary cell wall. So, cytoplasms of two cells produce primary cell wall. So, this middle lamella after this cytoplasm produce, that is primary cell wall. These cell produce primary cell wall. So, this is primary cell wall. Then this primary cell wall reaches to these boundaries. This primary cell wall reaches to these boundaries and these boundaries to divide two cells. by the deposition of, that is a cellulose deposition in cell wall. The cellulose deposition cell wall, it is reaches to boundaries and reaches to boundaries. It means the cell wall, it is a primary cell wall, then after secondary cell wall, tertiary cell wall is formed. In secondary cell wall, so what is that? In primary cell wall also some amount of cellulose is present. In secondary cell wall more amount of cellulose is present. That cellulose after cellulose deposition in cell wall, the cell walls are reaches to boundaries. They are reaches to boundaries. That's why two cells are divided in cytokinesis. In the cytokinesis process, two cells are divided. After telophase means two nucleus are separated. Then starting of cytokinesis, what will happen? That middle lamella is, what is that? Primary equatorial plate or cell plate is formed. This cell plate or equatorial plate, mainly formed by fragments, pieces of Golgi bodies and endoplasmic reticulum. These pieces of endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi bodies secrete calcium pectate layer. That calcium pectate layer is called, that is middle lamellae. This is middle lamella. Middle lamella is a cement like substance to connect two cells. Middle lamella, after the cytoplasm of one cell gives primary cell wall, and cytoplasm of second cell, that is also produce primary cell wall. So both sides primary cell wall is formed, primary cell wall and then secondary cell wall, then tertiary cell wall, whatever it may be, they contain mainly cellulose. The cellulose deposition takes place in cell wall. Result of that, cell walls are reaches to boundaries to separate two cells. That is cell wall formation. Next, functions of cell wall. Cell wall functions. Cell wall, which is mainly helps in provide the shape. So provide shape to the cell. Is a one thing. Cell wall formation, what is that? Cell shape provided by cell wall. Next, primary cell wall helps in enzymatic reactions. Enzymatic reactions are mainly takes place in primary cell wall. Next, cell wall helps in transport of water by the process of apoplast. Apoplast is nothing but movement of the water in the cells by the using only cell wall. It means, for example, this is root hair, this is cortex cells, and these are cortex cells mainly, and then after this is xylem cells. So movement of the water from the root hair to, first of all, only touch cell wall, then after touch another cell wall of another cell. Next, another cell wall of another cell, then another cell wall and another cell wall, then cell wall only, and reaches to xylem. This type of movement is called apoplast movement. This type of movement is called apoplast movement. Apoplast movement means movement of the water only reaches to the xylem with the help of through the outer cell walls only. Only reaches to cell walls, not enters into the inside of the cell. Only reaches to outer sides of the cell wall, then after enters into xylem, then after transport to all body parts. This is apoplast movement. One more movement also is there. Movement of the water from the root hair to inside of the cell. One sends to another cell by the plasmadesmata, and second cell sent to third cell by the another plasmadesmata, and finally reaches to that is xylem. That is simplest movement. This cell wall which is mainly helps in apoplast movement. Apoplast movement means water reaches to xylem cells with the help of only cell walls of the cells, cell walls of the all cells. That is apoplast movement. Next, this is cell wall is increase the rigidity, provide rigidity. By the help of this stiffness, the plant shows growth or height. Height is increases by the rigidity. Next, in secondary cell wall is mainly made up of three things: pectin, lignin, suberin. First of all, pectin helps in prevent from loss of water. Pectin prevents loss of water. Next, suberin also helps in prevents water loss. Both are helps to prevent water losses. And lignin is a hard substance which is provide stiffness and mechanical strength to the cell body. So lignin provides stiffness as well as provide mechanical support, mechanical strength, mechanical stamina provided by lignin. So mechanical strength to the cells of plant. That is, these are the functions of cell wall. So cell wall formation is mainly by the phragmoplast, means cell plate or equatorial plate is formed. This equatorial plate mainly formed by phragmoplast. Phragmoplast are the pieces of Golgi bodies and endoplasmic reticulum. These Golgi bodies and endoplasmic reticulum secrete one calcium pectate layer, that is blue color one, that is middle lamella. Middle lamella, it is a cement like substance, it connects two cells. Then after cytoplasm of outer another cell, cytoplasm of inside cell. Both cells are secret, primary cell wall inside, primary cell wall outside, another cell. So this primary cell wall is mainly made up of cellulose. After cellulose deposition, this cell wall is reaches to outer boundaries. Then this cell is divided into two cells. And one thing, this cell wall formation is takes place in after telophase of mitosis and starting of that is cytokinesis. When cytokinesis will start, then that phragmoplast reaches and the phragmoplast generally secrete calcium pectate. That's why middle lamella is formed. Then cytoplasm secrete primary cell wall and primary cell wall to inside and outside. That is cell wall formation. It is only after telophase and cytokinesis, at the starting of cytokinesis. In cytokinesis after takes place of telophase. These are the functions of cell wall mentioned here.